Have you ever thought about starting your own business? It's a thrilling prospect, isn't it? The idea of being your own boss, bringing your unique ideas to life, and perhaps even making a significant impact on your chosen industry. But before you dive in headfirst, there's a crucial step you need to take: creating a business plan. A business plan is your roadmap, guiding you through the journey of establishing and growing your business. It's not just a document you create to convince investors your idea is worth their money. It's a strategic blueprint that helps you understand your market, define your goals, and plan for the future. We know the thought of creating a business plan might seem daunting, so we're here to break it down into easy, digestible steps. First things first, write an executive summary. It's like a movie trailer for your business plan. It should be brief but compelling enough to make anyone want to see the full movie, or in this case, read your entire plan. Next, describe your business. What's your company about? What problems do you solve? What products or services do you offer? Make sure to be clear and concise. Then, conduct a market analysis. This involves researching your industry, your competition, and your target customers. Know what you're getting into, who you're up against, and who you're selling to. After that, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty details of your organization and management. Who will run the business? What's their background? What's the organizational structure? Then describe your service or product line. What are you selling? How does it benefit your customers? How does it stand out from the competition? Now, we're getting to the exciting part: marketing and sales. How will you attract and retain customers? How will you sell your products or services? Finally, wrap up your business plan with your financial projections. This part is crucial, especially if you're seeking investment. You'll need to provide a forecast of your income, expenses, and profitability. Remember, a business plan is not a one-time document. It's a living, breathing plan that should evolve as your business grows and changes. Now, it's your turn. Take these steps and start creating your own business plan. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. The most important thing is to start. And as you embark on this exciting entrepreneurial journey, don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.